What's happening, everyone? Are you stuck inside and you're wondering how to make some of these? Let's find out together. Welcome back, everyone. If you are new here, my name is Jake. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you like lifestyle vlogs and lifestyle hacks, I'm your guy, so please hit that subscription button and also give this video a big thumbs up. Now, once again, if you don't already follow me, all of my social media is listed in the description below, as well as my website, jakerura.com. Now that we got all of the boring stuff taken care of, let's make some dumbbells. All you're gonna need is some PVC pipe, a 5-quart painter's bucket, some cement or mortar mix in my case, and some PVC pipe glue. So let's flash back a couple days and get this thing started. Okay, Dad, what are we doing here?
Making concrete dumbbells.
All right, so what is the first step we're doing? We weighed out, we have these weights over here.
These are 7.5 pound weights.
Just lined it up with a painter's bucket.
Painter's bucket.
Which is about 4 liters, right?
About 4 liters.
So we're hoping that it's going to be around 22.5 to 25 to 30-ish pounds each side. So we measured out 4¼ inch PVC pipe, and now we're drilling through them to put the handle. We cut the handle off the bucket for added support to go through, so that when they stick into here, they'll have an extra bit of support, right?
So the pipe won't fall out.
So the pipe won't fall out. That's what she said. So we have all of those cut out and in place, and the next step is to mix in the concrete, right? So now that they are all filled up, we're just gonna wait for them to curate. It's gonna take about 24 hours, so I will see you guys in just a second. Now, the kind of mortar mix that we used, we thought it was gonna take about 24 hours, but I'm also in Indiana right now, and the temperature dropped to like 30 degrees overnight, so it didn't really set. I mean, it was hard, but it wasn't super hard, if you know what I mean. But while we're here, I'm gonna do my inspiration of the week right now. This week goes out to my friend Angel Serrata. Go follow him on Instagram and check out all of his fitness stuff. He has really been motivating me to keep working and keep pushing hard during this time when we can't be at the gym. I will go ahead and put a link to his Instagram as well as his mission statement in my description below. All right, let's go finish these bad boys up. So as you can see here, it's been about 48 hours, and my father is putting the PVC pipe primer for the glue on each of the PVC pipes. We decided to measure 1 inch on either side of the PVC pipe before we inserted it into the curated pot. We waited for about a minute to 2 minutes before placing the other pot on top of the PVC pipe, completing the dumbbell set. We just wanted to make sure that it was dry before we placed that extra weight on top. As you can see, it is all finished. I would wait probably about 5 minutes just to make sure that everything is set before using these dumbbells. Oh, it is nice to actually have some sort of equipment instead of just doing body weight and TheraBand stuff. Also, a huge shout out to my father, Dennis, for helping me make these. Without his help, I probably would have messed it up. So here it is. Here is the finished product. It is not pretty by any means necessary, but hey, it gets the job done. We decided to leave the painter's buckets on it still because why not? If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please share it with all of your friends that are stuck at home and not able to work out at the gym right now. As always, please stay safe. Thank our essential workers working so hard for us right now. And remember, there is nothing to prove, only something to share. I'll see you guys next week.